The automation landscape in 2025 is more competitive than ever. But one platform that continues to make waves is n8n. Marketed as a powerful, flexible, and open source automation tool, n8n positions itself as a serious alternative to closed, expensive automation platforms like Zapier or Make. It's built not only for businesses, but also for individual creators, developers, and startups who want more control, more customization, and more affordability without sacrificing performance. But is n8n truly the future of workflow automation, or is it just another shiny tool in the crowded no-code space? At first glance, n8n stands out because of its open source foundation. Unlike platforms that lock users into strict pricing models or limited integrations, n8n allows you to host your own instance or use their cloud-based solution. This means you can choose between self-hosting for maximum control and security, or paying for the convenience of the managed n8n cloud. For teams dealing with sensitive data or complex integrations, this flexibility is a game changer. Functionality is where n8n really flexes. With over 400 plus pre-built integrations, from Google Sheets to Slack, GitHub to HubSpot, it covers a massive range of everyday tools. But what really sets it apart is its extendability. Developers can build custom nodes, create conditional workflows, and integrate with APIs far beyond the basic drag and drop offered by competitors. Whether you're automating CRM updates, syncing databases, sending alerts, or orchestrating entire business pipelines, n8n is designed to scale with your needs. Another standout feature is the Fair Code license. This unique approach ensures the platform remains open and community-driven while still maintaining sustainability for the team behind it. Community contributions continue to expand functionality, tutorials, and templates, making n8n more approachable for beginners while still being incredibly powerful for advanced users. It's not just a tool, it's part of a growing ecosystem of automation enthusiasts. Performance is also a highlight. Because you can host it yourself, workflows can be optimized to run as quickly and efficiently as your infrastructure allows. For larger organizations, this reduces dependency on third-party servers and minimizes data latency. For small teams, the cloud version offers simplicity without technical overhead. Combined with workflow versioning, error handling, and visual debugging, n8n provides a professional-grade experience that rivals enterprise automation platforms. Of course, no platform is perfect. Beginners may find n8n's flexibility a little overwhelming compared to the simplicity of Zapier. While the drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, creating advanced workflows often requires some technical understanding, especially when dealing with custom APIs or complex conditions. Additionally, while self-hosting is a strength, it can also be a barrier for users without technical infrastructure. For those users, the managed cloud offering becomes the easier but more expensive route. Pricing is refreshingly transparent. n8n's cloud plans scale based on usage, making it accessible for freelancers and small startups, while enterprise-level support is available for larger organizations. And since the platform is open source, anyone can experiment with self-hosting for free, something most competitors don't allow. The bottom line, n8n in 2025 is more than just another automation tool, it's a philosophy. It represents a shift toward openness, control, and customization in workflow automation. If you want simplicity without flexibility, you may still prefer Zapier. But if you're looking for a future-proof tool that grows with you, empowers collaboration, and gives you the freedom to own your automations, n8n deserves serious consideration. Mission accomplished if this review helps you decide whether n8n is your next go-to automation engine, or if it's not the right fit for your workflow needs.